going to be a step-by-step details video on exactly how I create affiliatesite.info. In case you want to know exactly how I create affiliatesite.info, everything that I do on that website, I'm going to be teaching you here one by one. So I'm going to be using this website that you are seeing right now. As you can see, this website is 100% new website. You can see here, hello world, welcome to WordPress. Whenever you host a new WordPress website, this is exactly what they are going to use and welcome you. So everything that I'm going to be teaching you on this video is what some people collect $200, $500 just to teach you. So on this video, I'm going to be sharing to you everything for free. So it's very important that you watch the very end, because if you skip any part of this video, you might miss the interesting part of it, and thereby when you want to do your own, it's going to be confusing you. The step one that I'm going to be taking right now is to delete everything that is on this website, right? And when I do so, then I will also change the theme. Let me jump into my laptop right now and show you exactly how to delete posts on WordPress websites. So this hello world, welcome to WordPress, I'm going to be deleting everything and clean up this site, right? When I clean up, then I change the theme and start designing it to look exactly like affiliatesite.info. Remember, that is what we are going to be creating, both on how to add a home page, about us page, everything. That is what I'm going to be teaching you step by step on this video. So what you need to do for you to delete this cart, checkout, my account, and simple page shop, so you need to go back to your dashboard. This is your dashboard. Then this WordPress dashboard, in case you don't know. So you come over to pages, all pages, right? So can't you see those things that is displaying on that menu? This is it here. I do checkout, 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 checkout. I will mark everything, right? Then as you can see, bulk action. No, let me choose move to trash. I click it, apply. You see all of them now is now on trash. I click on trash again, then I will mark everything. Come down here again, bulk action, then I choose delete permanently, apply. Okay, let's go back to our site, visit site. You see everything here is now removed, so for us to delete this hello world, welcome to WordPress, this is your first post, edit or delete it, then start writing. So I go back to the dashboard again. On the dashboard, we are going to visit post, right? This is the post hello world. Then I click, I do what I call move to trash, apply. Then I come over to trash again. Here is it. I tap on it again, delete permanently. So already removed. Let's go back to our site, visit site. You see, you cannot see it again. This is just a theme, proudly powered by WordPress. So whenever you delete anything on the dashboard, it's going to reflect on the site, right? Yeah, remember, this is the dashboard of WordPress website. Whatever you change on the dashboard is going to reflect on your site. So this is the dashboard. Right now we are going to be downloading this theme, like I told you before, affiliatesite.info. That is what you are going to be creating, right? So we are going to be downloading the theme right now, and we move over to customize. Remember, customize. Okay, right now look at what active theme 2022, right? I will click on change. Okay, install theme. This is the theme that is here, which are all these themes that are seen here is just provided by WordPress. Right now we need to change the theme. Okay, now we need to search for the theme. So the name of the theme is fairy theme, so we click on it. Remember, this is what we are going to search, right? This is the theme here, this is the theme here.
just the same company, but the main one that we need is called Fairy, right? So we install and preview, downloading your theme, right? We are done. You see, right now, this is the theme, right? And as you can see here, there is nothing to show yet.
Now that we are done downloading our theme, the next thing that we are going to be doing right now is to create our necessary pages like home page, about us page, and contact us page, privacy policy, and the rest. So as it is on affiliate site info, that is what I'm going to be creating right now. So we need to go back to our dashboard.
Now, to create a pages, we need to go back to our dashboard. Remember, so on this dashboard, we are going to see pages. Okay, add new. We click on add new. Okay, now we are about to create our page. Okay, so the first one that we need to create right now is about us page, right? Remember, the first letter should be capital letter, right? Not small letter. Okay, about us page. And the second one, us, the U should be capital letter, right? Yeah. We now hit publishing. About us is live now. So guys, as you can see, I've already gotten about us page, contact us page, disclaimer page, privacy policy. Because I don't want this video to be long, that is why I need to cut some certain things. But if you want to actually get it, all you need to do is to come to pages and add new until you get your about us, contact us, disclaimer, and privacy policy. Right now, let's check whether this pages is appearing on our site. All we need to do now is to visit site. Okay guys, now that we have gotten our disclaimer, privacy policy, contact us page, about us page on this blog, right? We now need to get our homepage. Homepage is still missing. For us to get that, we need to copy our domain name, which is this, right? Meanwhile, this domain name is temporary domain name. It's just gonna last for 1 month, so I will change the domain name, right? So I will click on copied, Control C, copied, right? So all I need to do now is to go back to the dashboard, right? On this dashboard, you can see comment appearance. Under the appearance, we're going to be seeing theme, customize, widget, menu. We go to menu, right? So right now, we need to be creating a custom menu. We click on it. Then here we need to paste our domain link. Let's do that. Paste, right? So we're now going to give it link test. We're now going to give it a name, which is home. So as we are done creating this now, what we need to do is to add it to the menu, right? Now it's already added. Let's check. Here is this custom link. We need to drag it to up. Okay. Okay. So after we have done that, we need to save it. Save. Remember, whatever you do on this appearance, remember to save it, because if you don't save it, it's not going to save, right? So let's visit our site back and check. Do you see we have now created home page? Right now there is something that is still missing. If you come back to affiliate site, there is this display, but it's not yet appearing on this our site that we are creating. So for us to add that, we need to go back again, hit customize. Under this customize, the first thing that we need to do now is to go to homepage setting. On this your homepage setting, we leave it here, remember, so don't set it here. We leave it on your latest post. Then we go back Remember to leave it on your latest post, right? We now go to fairy theme options, slide session options. We hit on it, then we enable it, right? Hit publish. So right now we have already added this display, right? But it's not yet appearing. The reason for this is because we don't have any articles published yet. So let's go and check by writing some, titles on post. Add new. On this add new, we're going to write home. Let's. Meanwhile, this is not article, but I'm gonna be using this to show you guys whether the display is going to be working or not. Because if you have post, it's going to be displaying all those posts. We hit publish, 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 right? So we need to go back again, visit site. Do you see? If I made a post, it's going to be displaying, right? So guys, this is exactly how I create affiliate site.info. But there's one more thing. Let me also show you this. Everything here, this title here is black, and the search icon is also black. While you come to this site, you're going to see Gospel here is the title. It's 100% red, and the search icon is also red. To change it to black, I'm going to come over to customize. On this customize, we need to go over to colors, right? So the header text color, which is this one that you are seeing, let's change it to black. Do you see? Okay. After that one, we need to come down. Site primary color. It will change the color of site, whole site, right? So we need to change it to black and see. Do you see? Everything now is now black. This is exactly how I create affiliate site.info. So suppose you are enjoying this video and you are getting value from this video, I want to encourage you to just hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get my latest update concerning blogging. So for you to get approved on Google AdSense, I want to also tell you this: all what matters now is your post. As you can see, all these pages are 100% empty. So I'm going to be making a video to show you how to add a contact. Also, when someone comes to your website like affiliatesite.info, come over to the contact us. As you can see here, let me show you. So contact us, your name, your email, subject, message optional. So when you fill all these things right now and submit it, I'm going to be receiving this on my email. So how do I add this? This is just all about me getting a code. So when someone come here and fill his or her name and email and write the message here and hit submit, it's going to come direct to your email. So that is it for now. If I'm all to say, let me finish everything. As you can see here is empty. If I'm all to say let me finish everything, this video is going to be more than 1 hour, but I want to make it a brief, right? So on my next video, I'm going to be, telling you guys how to write disclaimer pages, privacy policy, and contact us, about us, all these pages, how to write it. So because if you want to get approved, you must have something there, not just creating pages. No.
Okay guys, if you enjoyed this very wonderful video and you want to support me, please do well to subscribe to this channel, share this video to others. You might be helping someone. There's someone out there who needs this video right now. Your share can actually help to get to that person, right? So please share this video right now, and I will see you on my next video. Remember, my next video I will be sharing to you guys tip on how to write about us page, disclaimer page, and also privacy policy. That is how to write all these things. I'm going to be sharing to you on my next video. Just keep following me and sharing my video. I'm going to be dropping interesting content that you are going to like, and it's going to be helpful to you whenever you want to start blog.